What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be making some big changes to the 240. So as you guys know, when we got the 240, it was completely stock. Nothing has been done to it. So there's this fat gap over here. So we're gonna go ahead and install some coilovers today. This is the last drive in the 240 like this.
You know what time it is? So these coilovers right here are from my original S14 that I had back in Hawaii. I took them out of the car before I sold the car. So luckily I saved them because I did have plans of actually getting another one in the future. These are Fortune Auto coilovers. These are the 500 series. I believe they're version 1s. This is like when they first came out. I bought these for like one of the group buys on Zilvia, if you guys know what that is. So we're gonna go ahead and clean them off right now because they do have a little bit of grime that's been sitting on there. These are still good. They're not blown or anything. They're just really dirty. So Christine's gonna go ahead and clean them off right now. Just shoot them down with some soap and water. Make them look all pretty so that way we could throw them in the car. Take them apart. So these are actually the most comfortable ride of a coilover I've ever ran. I was really happy with this purchase.
Working on the car. Let's go, Molly.
Find it down the lug nut. This one right there. We'll push down on the handle. Go. Good job, baby. Good. Coming up. Okay, guys. So for the first 3 mods that I like to do to any of the cars that I buy, I like to lower the car. So the first thing I would get is coilovers or airbags if you have the money to do so. But I like to put coilovers in my cars. I like to lower the car and also get a better feel. I feel like when you lower the car, it looks a lot more better. Second, I would like to update the steering wheel. So Christine has this one right here. And then as well as update the head unit. As you guys seen in the previous video, unfortunately we couldn't put the double din in there, so we got the single din in there. So it is all updated, that way we can play our phones through Bluetooth and USB and all that on top of this head unit. The older head unit, I believe, still had like a CD player and I was gonna say a cassette tape, but it's not that old. But anyway, yeah, so those are the first 3 mods that I like to do. She got it? You got it off? Okay.
I'm gonna go clean these.
Okay. Yeah, these probably hasn't been taken off before, so it's gonna be hard. Whoa, what kind of technique is that? Why'd you stack the wrench? What size is that?
I got them clean.
Good job, baby. Okay, go put them on top of the other side. Screw them on, back on. go to the top. Take off those 14 millimeters.
First one.
Look how big that is.
It's huge.
Okay, lay it down. Okay, now
Why is it so huge? Why is the spring so huge?
this is for off-roading. Okay, go grab one of the fronts. Just to show you guys the size difference of the shocks that are going back in the car. That's so small compared to that. Anyway, we're going for a conservative drop right now. We're not gonna slam it to the ground just because we don't have wheels yet. So we're gonna leave it like this, put them in the car, and then see what the height is at, and then adjust accordingly.
Okay, so
Oh, but we don't even have
what?
nuts. Hope this fits. Oh, they fit, yeah.
Hey. Whoa, why does this seem so light for some reason?
Okay, Miss Muscle Man.
No, I struggle with yours.
Oh, is it that heavy?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. My bad. He was over here talking about how light that coilover was. I thought it was a little bit easy. Yeah, wiggle it around. Oh, why'd you pull it out? Leave it in there. With these coilovers, if you guys notice, I have the top hole for the coilover notched. That'll give me space to like adjust for camber. It just gives me a little bit extra degrees for fitment. So if you guys need just a little bit of extra degrees of negative camber, you can go ahead and notch your coilover just like that. That way it'll give you hopefully the fitment or the adjustment that you need.
Are we gonna go ahead and make it to the negative or straight?
Oh, you can make it negative if you want.
So push it in, right?
Yeah, push it in.
The last one?
Well, I mean, it has a tire on it, that's why.
Oh, the other one doesn't have a tire on it? Maybe it needs to put it because it's heavy and there's all these wires.
No, we have gloves on.
No, but my
I
feet
got it, I
don't
got
have
it.
gloves.
Your feet don't have gloves. Your gloves have, your feet have shoes. I don't even have shoes on.
Daddy.
My feet don't have gloves either.
Mommy and Daddy.
Whoa.
Mommy.
It's gonna definitely need over fenders.
Why is it not?
It's like, it's so far off.
Daddy.
It's not? You think you could run that without over fenders?
I mean, no, but
Or just roll it a lot? You can fit them? Just add camber?
14, 15.
15 spins?
Okay, so we're ready to lower the car. We just installed the fronts. We're gonna see how low it is. Watch your front now.
Huh?
You dropped it way too fast.
Sorry.
You like it?
I love it.
Look. I look at it.
I love it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited to do the back now.
It's gonna rub though. So in order to get to the top bolts for the coilovers, we have to drop down the rear seat, take off this back panel here, and then you're gonna see the two 12mm nuts under here. So I'm too big to go in here. Christine's gonna be doing that. No, just pop up that black thing. Pull it up. Yep, pull it up. Pop it up.
Oh, it's dusty in here.
Oh, that's on the inside? Oh, from the sunroof? Oh. I mean, yeah, there's not even a speaker left in there. It belongs to the car now. Hey, don't strip it. So if you look under the car, there's that one nut right there. I don't know if that's a 17 or whatever it is. That's the only bolt you have to take off.
Oh, that's so soft. Oh, it's all buster.
Just leave it like that high.
Leave it this side. Leave it this side. Leave it this side.
Huh? Yeah.
Okay.
No, I'm just kidding.
I didn't know that the strut was that high. That looks giant. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the rears in. We're just gonna leave it how it was, and we're gonna go ahead and see if we need to make any adjustments from there. So we're gonna go ahead and throw in the driver's side first.
Okay, here we go.
So good. I can't wait to take this out so we can see how it dries and the clearance on it, but guys, it looks so nice. The tires are tucking just a little bit in the front and the rear. We kind of wanted to keep it conservative so that way I can kind of learn how to drive a lowered car again. But this car makes me so happy. I love it so much. Thank you guys for rocking with us, for staying tuned for all the videos, for watching the rebuild, and now we're finally starting the mod, so it's gonna get exciting. So make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't already. Turn on the post notifications. If you guys haven't copied your jet tags or your stickers, make sure you guys do so in the description below. There's gonna be a link to the website. But yeah, that's it for today. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay safe.